Louis metropolitan area, including the cities of St. Louis, St. Charles, Belleville, and surrounding communities for today. Mostly sunny in the morning and early afternoon, then becoming partly sunny. High around 80. Light wind in the morning, becoming northwest around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. At 8 a.m. at Lambert Field in St. Louis, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 67 degrees. The dew point was 53, giving us a relative humidity
It's gonna start in like 1 minute, so.
The wind was north at 6 miles an hour, and the pressure was 30.11 inches and falling. Elsewhere in the metro area, in Chesterfield, it was sunny and the temperature was 67. In Belleville, it was 67 degrees. In Cahokia, it was sunny and 68 degrees. In St. Charles, it was sunny and 69. Across the region, it was sunny in Columbia,
This
Missouri,
is the St.
with a
Charles
temperature of
tornado siren
65.
test.
In Quincy, it was sunny and 64 degrees. In Kansas City, it was cloudy and the temperature was 63.
Today is June 4th, 2018, 9
with a
o'clock
temperature of
roughly.
68. In Rolla, it was mostly sunny.
This is way better than the school. This is what we hear from St. Charles at our home on a tornado warning. It's very scary.
What if Mommy was going to work right now and she drove past it?
No.
Well, she has to.
Charles, Belleville, and surrounding communities.
I'm just seeing.
today.
What?
You should have got yours.
What?
Your tornado siren.
Oh.
Ew, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay.
That's the siren by Nikki's house. There's still one going off. That one sounds so much cooler. Okay, I guess that clears it up for the June tornado siren test for St. Charles County. Come back in July for our next siren test.